Hey everyone, it's Design Chickee here, and it's a Monday, it's a video day. Unfortunately, I've been so busy that it's been so hard to get those videos out, but I do have them in the works. They are on their way, but today I thought we'd do a little something different. So yes, I'm in my car. I'm taking you on a little bit of a road trip. We're heading out to look for tiles. Yes, I'm looking for bathroom tiles for a client's project, and I thought I'd bring you along. So hopefully this will work out. Stop number one. So we're back from our road trip, and this is what we've collected. So lots of different tiles, different shapes, different colors. The color palette is pretty muted, but we're looking for something kind of classic. We're also on a bit of a budget, so we have to be cognizant of how much each of those tiles cost and where they're going to be used so that we're not blowing the budget. But we're going to put two concepts together so that the client has a choice between the two. Okay, so this is our first design concept that we've pulled together. It's very zen, very calming, very creamy. We start here with these tiles right here. So these are the tiles that I'm proposing for the shower walls. So again, they have a little bit of texture to them. And the client will be able to choose between the white on beige or the white on white. I think I like the beige. And then if that's going in the shower walls, then we need a shower floor tile. So I've selected this crema marfil tumbled mosaic. And I really like how the edges are tumbled, so they're a little softer. There's no hard edges. It's sort of really in keeping with this palette. And you need a small tile, so something like a mosaic is actually really great for shower floors because you want them to slope towards the drain. So that makes it really easy. And then the bathroom floor, again, I did say we were on a budget, so instead of doing actual stone, we were going to use this tile. And it comes in two sizes. It comes in 24 by 24, which is a nice big size square, or a 12 by 24, so it's a little bit more like a rectangle. And so that's a porcelain, and it's made to look like the crema marfil, so it's pretty darn close. And this wood piece here that I have, yes, it's a piece of floor, but it's actually representing the vanity. So we'd like some wood in this concept. And I thought a nice oak vanity would be really beautiful. And then finally this piece right here, for most showers, you'll need some kind of marble jam. So in this case, we have this quartz jam instead. So again, all very creamy and light and bright and very zen. Okay, so now we've moved on to design concept number 2. And we'll start with the shower walls again. So the shower walls, I thought, again, because we're on a budget, we would do a subway tile on the walls. Always very classic. And this mosaic with the mixture of stone and glass, we would do that as an accent. So there might be a border tile that goes all the way around the shower. And then we have our shower floor. And in this case, it's a porcelain. So it's a porcelain mosaic tile. And again, that's really good for showers, very durable. And I like that it's a little bit creamy to pull out some of that cream that we see in the mosaic. There's some cream marble in there, there's some gray marble, and then the glass has little bits of gray and teal and beige. And then we're using that same faux marble for the floor tile. And again, that's a really good budget option. So that marble jam for the shower. And in this particular design concept, I thought it would be nice to warm it up with a nice mahogany wood vanity. So we're gonna look for something with a wood vanity cabinet. And now design concept number 3. It's actually really good to have a third option because sometimes people get stuck between 1 and 2, and it's always nice to have a third option to kind of just throw it out there and kind of switch things up a little bit. So in this case, we've got a little bit more of a dramatic color palette. There's more contrast in this one. So let's start with the shower walls again, which would be this subway tile, but with the beveled edge. You see that all the way around. So it really gives a lot more texture to your subway tile, especially when it's on the wall. It looks fantastic, and it's classic. And then for your shower floor, again, we need a small tile for your shower floor. So we're using this mosaic porcelain tile, well priced. And it really gives a lot of contrast. We want that nice dramatic contrast to your shower walls. And it works really well with a white Carrara marble jam. So all of our marble jams around the shower will be in this marble. Looks really great. And then we have this tile over here for the bathroom floor. Again, this is very similar to that other faux marble tile that we're using in the other concepts, but this one is a little darker. So it's just pretending to be a different kind of marble, but it looks really realistic, which is important. And then again, to increase a little bit of that drama, we're using a darker cabinet for the vanity. So there you have it. We have 3 different design concepts to show our clients after a full day of sourcing tiles. I think we went to about 5 different stores. We gathered up all our samples. Before you head out, it's really important that you know exactly what your floor plan is like. So you don't want to pick tiles that you're not going to be able to use. So make sure that you have a floor plan. That's a really good pro tip before you head out. And that's what we did. We headed out, we got a whole bunch of samples, we brought them back, and we pulled 3 design concepts together. So our next step is to figure out pricing so that our clients have that information as well. We'll also have some drawings to show our clients. They'll be able to pick the bathroom of their dreams. So hopefully that'll all work out and we'll get to build another bathroom. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos. Maybe we'll go out shopping for furniture one day. Just let me know if you like that kind of thing, and we can do some more. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming, and I'll see you soon.